You can start a new screen recording directly from the main window. Choose your favorite capture mode. Camera settings. Audio configurations. Screenshots location. And hotkeys. There are 3 main categories of properties. You can record the screen and your webcam. Use your microphone and include the system sounds. You can also set a timer to get more time to prepare. Initializing a screen recording is highly customizable. First of all, you need to choose the recording area. You can also choose the capture rate. Another video source is the webcam. Both the frame rate and size are customizable. The microphone can be used as well as the system sounds. A timer gives you the chance to prepare for your screen recording. We will use Fit to Application, but you can choose any other option. Finally, just hit the Rec button. Pausing the video is also possible, and the duration of the current recording is displayed in the bottom panel. Stop the recording when you're done. Use the button or the keyboard shortcut. You will be automatically redirected to the video editor where you can start by previewing your recording. Thank you for watching.